It's Monday and it's time to talk technology here on Power Talk. And Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, is with us once again. Hi, Luis.
Good morning, Mark. How are you?
Doing pretty good. So we are into the month of October. It is the 3rd, Monday the 3rd of October. And it's Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Actually, It should be Cybersecurity Awareness Month all the time, but particularly the month of October, we really highlight it. So what are some of the things that we should be thinking about as far as cybersecurity goes?
Well, we've talked a lot throughout the year about cybersecurity, and October being an emphasis month, we just want to reiterate things like make sure that you use complex passwords and don't use the same password over and over again on multiple sites. So if you're on Amazon, use one password. If you're on Hulu, use another password. Don't use the same credentials, because once they guess those passwords, and the bad guys are really good at doing that, then they can get into all of those sites. So make sure that you use complex passwords and that you change them for different sites. Where possible, use multi-factor authentication. Like recently, Google made it mandatory in Gmail now that people have to use MFA. So, that's an important way to prevent people from, even if they guessed your password, getting into your accounts. And be leery, especially the rest of this year, because we're getting into holiday season. And in the holidays, we tend to let our guard down and get fooled by all of the ads and other emails that we start getting promising all sorts of discounts and special deals. So be on guard the rest of the year.
That's good to know. Hey, when you talk about complex password, what do you consider a complex password? What characters, numerals, letters, how do you put it together? What would you recommend?
What I would recommend is at least 10 characters. Use one uppercase, at least one number, and then one special character like an exclamation point, the @ symbol, the hash mark, a $sign, something that makes it more difficult to guess what that password is. But the longer, the better. I tend to try to use 12 characters or more in my passwords and try to sprinkle in some numbers and symbols where it makes sense.
Great advice from Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online, it's alvareztg.com. @AlvarezTG is the Twitter handle. Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
You can give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.